अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल पास्ट पेपर हब। आज की वीडियो में हम फिज़िक्स SH2 का पास्ट पेपर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, जिसका टोटल टाइम तो 3 हॉर है, लेकिन आपकी स्क्रीन पे सब्जेक्टिव पेपर नज़र आ रहा है जिसका टोटल टाइम हमारे पास 2 हॉर 45 मिनट है। टोटल मार्क सेक्शन बी एंड सेक्शन सी के 53 है, सेक्शन बी मार्क 33। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन ब्रीफली। Part 1. Compare the time period of a pendulum in Islamabad and Mount Everest, or enlist the necessary condition to produce echo. Part 2. Describe the factor affecting the loudness of a sound, or briefly explain damping. Discuss its geographical term. Part 3. What will be the speed of light in diamond that has reflective index of 2.42? Or briefly elaborate mutual induction. Make a schematic diagram, writes its unit. Part 4. Two small equally charged metal spheres having charge 5 each are placed at a distance of 4.0 centimeter between them. Calculate the magnitude of force or find the power diverted to an air conditioner when it draws a current of 12 ampere when connected to a power supply of 201 volt. Part 5. And light enter from a air into glass of reflected index 1.55 at an angle of 35 degree. What is the value of angle of reflection of glass? Or a battery touch bulb uses 8 cell each of 1.5 volt to glow. If resistance of a bulb is 10 and determine the current. Part 6. An electric heater working at a potential distance of 240 volt draw 30 ampere of current. At how much electric energy will it consume in 90 minutes? Or radium 226 undergoes alpha decay. Write the reaction equation and determine the identity of daughter nucleus. Part 7. Briefly explain the right hand rule for the case of current passing through a solenoid, or discuss NOR gate with its circuit draw. Symbol of truth table. Part 3. Part 7. Part 8. Briefly elaborate the method to increase the result force on a mural of DC motor, or compare RAM and ROM memories. Part 9. A 24-volt battery passes a 30 ampere current through a resistor. Find value of resistance used in this circuit. Or state right-handed rule for current passing through a conductor placed inside a uniform magnetic field. Part 10. Elaborate transition of signal through optical fiber, or differentiate between analog and digital electronics. Part 11. What will be the atomic mass and atomic number of the nuclei that comes after beta decay of thorium? What is its name? Or determine of electrostatic force between nitrogen nucleus having 7 proton and the valence electron, which is the distance of 4.88 nm from the nucleus. Section C, mark 20. Note: answer the following questions. Question number 3. Show the motion of a simple pendulum in SHM. Derive formula of its time period and frequency, or explain force on a current carrying conductor in a uniform magnetic field. Also draw diagram. Question number 4. Explain combination of capacitor in parallel and with diagram. Also give its characteristic and drive a relation for its equivalent capacities. Or sonar send a ultrasound signal to a seabed. It is received back after 9.2 seconds. Speed of sound in water is 1500 mass square. Find the depth of a seabed. Question number 5. Elaborate the working of compound microscope. Draw ray diagram. Determine its magnifying power, or discuss the use of logical gate in email logic. B. Front and back doorbell. Question number 6. Explain nuclear fusion reaction in detail along with diagram and nuclear equation, or differentiate primary and secondary memories. Why are both needed in computer? Thank you for watching my video.